Hi students, whole chapter in one example. If you understand this example, you will get what is the concept of the chapter. See, you read the problem. Show that 2x plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0 and 3x minus y minus 7 is equal to 0 are intersecting line. Then find their intersecting point by elimination method and verify it by graphical representation. First, we have to show 2x plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0 and 3x minus y minus 7 is equal to 0. We have to show they are intersecting lines. What is the condition we have? We have to find a1 by a2 and b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. We have to find the ratio of coefficients. What is a1 here? You see a1x plus b1y plus c1. What is a1 here? 2. A b1 is 3 and c1 is minus 1. See 2 by what is a2 there? 3. B1, what is b1? 3. And what is b2? That is minus 1. What is c1? Minus 1 by minus 7. You see 2 by 3 is this is minus 3 and this is 1 by 7 because can cancel 1 by 7. 2 by 3 is not equal to minus 3 and this is anyway it is not equal to each other. Just if you see this one a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2 and is not equal to c1 by c2, they are not equal to each other. We can, if a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then we can say they are intersecting lines. These are intersecting lines. Unique solution we have, you can immediately write unique, it will have unique solution. The intersecting point, they intersect at only one point. Now we have next elimination method. I will take 2x plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0, 3x minus y minus 7 is equal to 0. See, first I will multiply this with 3 is there, no? I am multiplying this with 3, this equation with 3. I am keeping this equation as it is. I am taking down 2x plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0. 2x plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0. This is equation 1 and take this second equation. 3 3 is a 9x, 3 minus 3y minus 21 is equal to 0. This is equation 2. We have to add these two equations because if you adding these two equations, because plus 3y minus 3y is there. If you add these two equations, you will get 2x plus 9x, 11x. Plus 3y minus 3y cancel. Minus 1 minus 21 minus 22 is equal to 0. You will get 11x is equal to 22 and you will get the value of x is equal to 22 by 11. It is 2. The value of x is equal to 2. Substitute the value of x is equal to 2 in this equation. One of these two equations you can substitute, you will get the value of y. Say 2x plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0. What is the value of x? In place of x, substitute 2. In place of x, substitute 2 plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0. 4 plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0. 4 minus 1, 3. 3 plus 3y is equal to 0. You will get 3y is equal to minus 3 and y is equal to minus 1. What is the intersecting point? Intersecting point is in the form of xy, that is equal to, what is the value of x here? X is equal to 2. And what is the value of y? Y is equal to minus 1. This is intersecting point. If you substitute 2 and 1 in place of x, 2 and in place of y. If you substitute 2 and 1, you will get in LHS, if you substitute 2 and 1, you will get 0. And also you will get, if you substitute 2 and 1 in this equation, you will get 0. Now third one is graphical representation. We will draw 2x plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0. First, we will find out the solution set. I have already told you how to draw the graph of this line. See, you take x is equal to 0, 1, 2, minus 1. It is better to take y is equal to 0, x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. It is easy for you to draw a line. How many points do you need to draw a line? Only 2 points. See, now you substitute x is equal to 0, 2 into 0 plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0. 2 into 0, 0. 3y minus 1 is equal to 0, and you will get y is equal to 1 by 3. Y is equal to 1 by 3. Substitute x is equal to 1 here. 2 into 1 plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0. 2 into 1, 2. 2 minus 1, 1. 3y plus 1 is equal to 0. You will get y is equal to minus 1 by 3. Minus 1 by 3. You take 2 instead of x. 2 into 2 plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0. Say 2 to the 4. 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1, 3. 3y plus 3 is equal to 0. You will get 3y is equal to minus 3 and y is equal to minus 1. When you take 2 instead of x, in place of x, you are getting y is equal to minus 1. You see, it is no need take, you can take this point 2 minus 1 and 0 1 by 3 you can take. Minus 1 you will substitute, minus 1. 2 into minus 1 plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0. 2 into minus 1, minus 2 plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0. And 3y minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 is equal to 0. 3y is equal to 3 and you will get y is equal to 1. When you take minus 1, you are getting y as 1. Now substitute y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0 means it becomes 0. 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to 1 by 2. If you take y is equal to 0, you are getting x is equal to 1 by 2. See, solution set. We will prepare a solution set to draw the line by finding the solution set. What is the solution set you have? Minus 1, 1 and 0 1 by 3. No need to take 0 1 by 3, 1 minus. It is better to take only 2 points you need. You can take 3 points. 1 minus 1 1 and 2 minus 1 and 1 by 2 0. See, 1 by 2 0. You need only 2 points to draw a straight line, even though you can take 3 points, more than 2 points. Minus 1. Now with the help of solution set, we will draw a line. Minus 1 1, 2 minus 1, 1 by 2 0. Minus 1 1. Where is minus 1 1? Minus 1 1. This is minus 1 1. Next, 2 minus 1. This is 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1. Next, 1 by 2 0. Where is 1 by 2 0? 1 by 2 means here. 1 by 2 0 means there only. Here only. 1 by 2 0 means with the help of these points, we will draw a straight line. You see, I am drawing a line. This is a line 2x plus 3y. This line is 2x plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0. L1. Now we will draw 3x minus y minus 7 is equal to 0. We will find out the ordered pairs. See, x, y, 0, 1, minus 1, minus 2, 2. What I told you, it is better to take y instead of x, you substitute 0, and instead of y also you substitute 0. See, first you will substitute 0 here. 3 into 0, 3 into 0, minus y minus 7 is equal to 0. This is 0. Minus y minus 7 is equal to 0. You will get y is equal to minus 7. When you substitute x is equal to 0, you are getting y as minus 7. Let us substitute 1. 3 into 1, 3, minus y minus 7 is equal to 0. Then 3 minus 7 minus 4 minus y is equal to 0. You will get y is equal to minus 4. When you take instead of x in place of x 1, when you have substituted 1 in place of x, you will get y as minus 4. You take 2, 2, 3 to the 6. 6 minus y minus 7 is equal to 0. 6 minus 7 minus 1. Minus 1 minus y is equal to 0. Y is equal to minus 1. 2 minus 1. Anyway, this is intersecting point. Here you got 2 minus 1, and here also you will get 2 minus 1. See, when you substitute 0 here, instead of y is equal to 0, 3x minus 7 is equal to 0, 3x is equal to 7, x is equal to 7 by 3. Anyway, you got 7 by 3. See, you substitute this, you can take this also, you can take. You substitute minus 1, minus 3, you take minus 1, minus 3 minus y minus 7 is equal to 0. Minus 7 means minus y minus 10 is equal to 0. Y is equal to minus 10. We got 2 points, 1 minus 4, 2 minus 1. With the help of these 2 points, ordered pairs, with the help of these 2 points, we can draw a line. Solution set. What is a solution set? You have just see 0 minus 7, 1 minus 4, and 2 minus 1. If you take this point, it is easy to draw a line. I will take 1, 4, 1 minus 4 and 2 minus 1. You need 2 points are enough to draw a line. 1 minus 4. Where is 1 minus 1? Minus 4 will be here. 1 minus 4. And 2 minus 1. Where is 2 minus 1? 2 minus 1. Anyway, this point. Through these points, we will draw a line. I am drawing a straight line which is passing through these points. You draw a line which is passing through these 2 points. They are intersecting at 2 minus 1. What is the intersecting point? 2 minus 1. Intersecting point. Intersecting point of these 2 lines. This is L1. You take this is L2. This is 2x plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0, L1. L2 will be 3x minus y minus 7 is equal to 0. These 2 lines intersecting at 2 minus 1. Intersecting point is 2 minus 1. One important note, I want to tell one thing. See, minus 1, this is a point on this line. 2x plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0. If I substitute minus 1 and 1 in place of x and y, you will get in LHS, you will get 0. If I substitute minus 1 and 1 in place of x in this equation, I don't get 0 because this point is passing through this line. If you take this point 1 and minus 4, if I substitute in this LHS, I won't get 0. We won't get 0. If you substitute in place of x and y 1 and 4 in this equation in LHS, you will get 0. But if you substitute 2 and minus 1 in both the equation, in LHS, you will get 0, because this 2 and minus 1 passing through both the lines, it satisfies both the equations, like that. See, I am substituting minus 1 and 1 in place of x and y in this equation. You will get 0. You see, I am taking LHS here. 2 into what is x? I am substituting minus 1 and 1. Minus 1 and 1 I am substituting, plus 3 into what is the value of y? 1 minus 1. 2 into minus 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 1. You are getting minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 and plus 3. You are getting 0, as we got RHS as 0. When you substitute minus 1 and 1 in this equation in LHS, you won't get 0, because this point is passing through this line only. It is not passing through this line. You see, you substitute minus 1 and 1 in place of x and y. Minus y. What is the value of y here? Y. 1 minus 7. You see, minus 3 minus 1 minus 7. Minus 11 you are getting. You are not getting 0. If I substitute 2 and minus 1, in this equation you will get in LHS, you will get 0. If you substitute 2 minus 1 in this equation also in LHS, you will get 0, because this point is passing through this line and also this line. You observe, I am substituting the intersecting point in this equation. I will get 0. You see, 2 into 2 into 2 plus 3 into, in place of y, I am substituting minus 1 minus 1. 2 2s are 4 minus 3 minus 1. 4 minus 4, you are getting 0, as 2 and minus 1 is passing through this line. Next, you substitute 2 minus 1 in this equation in LHS, you will get 0, because it is intersecting point for both the equations. You observe 3 into 2 minus, what is the value of y? Minus 1 minus 7. 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 2 minus plus 1 minus 7. 7 minus 7. You are getting 0. As if you substitute the intersecting point, it will satisfy the both equations, both lines, because it is passing through 2 and minus 1, passing through this line and also this line. This is intersecting point.